Hey YouTube, it's me, 23 Fuckman here, and today this is not going to be a vlog. Instead, I'm going to be finally using these snappers that I got for my birthday a couple years ago. Well, actually, yeah, it was last year, a couple years ago, what I'm thinking. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be throwing a couple of these down. Just found them and thought, what the heck, I'll make a video out of it. Now, I'm just gonna put the camera right here on the car. Okay, there we go. So here they are. And this is all that it really is. It's just this little thing, and then I guess that's, yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm just going to be throwing these things down, and yeah, just for fun. Okay, here we go. Here's number one. Ooh, baby. My cat is like all like, what are you doing? What's that? What's that? Number two. Baby. Wonder if my neighbors will get like confused on what's going on. Oh, I got two right here. Oh, that was loud. Okay, let's go for, let's see. Frick, I dropped one by accident. Okay, let's see. How many is it? That's 1, 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is gonna be loud. Oh my gosh, that's so loud. Crap. Okay. Go. Frick, that's a fail. What? It didn't go off? Oh, it might be like, oh, there we go. There we go, now it went off. I'm gonna throw this one far. Oh, baby. Well, that wasn't really far, I just kind of checked it. And some more. Couple more. There we go. Oh, baby. I guess you probably can't, well, you can see all this garbage from all the other ones, but I guess you probably can't really see them, but they kind of make like a little spark when they ignite. Dropped one by accident. Is this another one that I dropped? Oh no, that's just some garbage one. Okay, there we go. That was nice. I'm not sure if you guys really heard that, but like all the other ones make a lot, like I'll make a comparison. All the other ones make kind of like a bang, but the one I just threw made more of like a bang. So bad. Oh, that one didn't even work. This one is a fake. Ah, it's a dud. Okay, here we go. Crap. Hope it's not getting all dirty in my pocket now. In my pocket. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple more because I gotta go in soon. And here, just give me a sec. These couple I'm gonna do. Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 for YouTube. 8 for you guys. 8 right here in my hand for you guys. 8 from my subscribers. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Peace.